Welcome back everyone to the Cobra Trading channel, where we focus on people, passion, and platforms. I'm Alex Bustos, and today we're going to be talking about day trading versus swing trading. Let's get started. So let's start with day trading. With day trading, you're going to be more focused on momentum trades. Trades with a lot of volatility, has a lot of volume, so that way you can make money faster and end the day in cash, so you don't have overnight risk. Typically, when you're day trading, you're going to be focusing on the 1 minute, 3 minute, the 5, sometimes a little higher like the 10, but more times than not, you're going to be focusing on the smaller time frames because you're trying to capture very quick momentum and make executions that are quick. Now with swing trading, it's different because you're more so focused on the bigger picture. You're looking at the monthly, the weekly, the daily chart to determine what your play is going to be, how you're going to enter, and you may use the hourly chart as well to hone in on a better entry. However, when it comes to swing trading, you have to be able to weather the storm because you're going to be holding this stock for days to weeks to months, depending on when your stock is telling you that your plan is invalid. So that could take a long time or it can happen in over a day or two. So just know this, you gotta be able to withstand pullbacks. You gotta be able to stand rallies and not be tempted to sell your entire position because you're used to day trading. You gotta have a different mindset when it comes to swing trading. But the good news is you can also be very patient and wait for your entries and just let the trade pan out over time. And it's a good way to trade if you're working while you're trading. Now, I want to explain that there are some similarities to both of these. The similarity between the two is that you're not investing. So don't confuse swing trading with investing or day trading. Your goal is to limit your exposure at the end of the day. With day trading, you want to close out your positions and be cash and not hold overnight. With swing trading, your goal is to limit your exposure by making sure that you close out your positions in a timely manner and not just hold something for years. In other words, they both have the goal of zeroing out their positions for a profit. The only difference between that is how quickly they do it. The reason these are not like investing, where you just put money in for years, is because you have to actively manage both. Regardless if you're a day trader or a swing trader. Sure, day trading, you gotta be more active, right? You're day trading in the minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute. So if you're doing that, you got to be eyes on the screen. But if you're swing trading, you got to be active. However, you don't have to be as active because you're looking at the bigger picture, right? If you're looking at the bigger picture, if that's the case, you can actually just look at it occasionally throughout the day, as long as you have your stops set. So that way, if it hits your risk, you're out. Now, both styles to some degree use technical analysis, and they use this to determine risk reward, right? They want to make sure they understand if there's a good risk reward for them to take the trade. Not only that, but it helps them come up with a good plan. Now, using fundamental analysis, on the other hand, is up to the trader themselves. Some on day trading will use it, and some don't use it at all. Swing trading is the same way. However, what I will tell you with caution, make sure you at least know any upcoming news when you're swing trading. Because again, you may be holding this for days, weeks, and months. And if you don't know that there's an event coming soon on the horizon, and you don't plan for that within your trading plan, you could be in for a hurt. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are enjoying this content, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're notified for future videos.